Hello, this is Travis with Electronic Transfer. I'm going to show you how to set up your address verification, otherwise known as AVS, to prevent fraud through your e-commerce transactions. What you're going to want to do is log into eProcessing network. And then on the left-hand side, you're going to scroll down to Web Services. And then you're going to select Processing Controls. From the Web Services, you're going to scroll down the page about halfway down until you get to Processing. Under these processing controls, you're going to select Auth Converts. And if any of these boxes are filled in, you're going to want to unmark all of those boxes. And we have typically two options that we can recommend here for address verification. There's either a 50% address match, which means either the address or the zip code must match in order for the transaction to be approved, or a 100% match, which means the address and the zip code must match in order for the transaction to be approved. For a 100% match, it's pretty simple. You're just going to select X and Y, and then you're going to scroll down to CVV2 and click M for card verification value matches. From there, you're going to click Save Transaction Settings, and then that would require a 100% match. Now, if you're wanting a 50% match, which is either address or zip code must match, you're going to add some boxes. You're going to select A, X, Y, and Z, and W. So to confirm for a 50% match, we're going to select A, W, X, Y, and Z. You're still going to keep value M under CVV2. And then save your transaction settings. And that's for a 50% match. And if you have questions on any of these settings and how they could affect chargeback liability, please call our office at 800-757-5453.